my name's Lori, and I'm a program coordinator here at Gleaners Community Food Bank. Maybe you already love fruits and vegetables, but have you ever heard the phrase, eat the rainbow? Eating the rainbow helps us get a variety of vitamin and minerals that are in the color spectrum of fruits and vegetables. Phytochemicals give fruits and vegetables their distinct color, taste, and aroma. Phytonutrients help to protect the plant and boost their immune system. When humans eat plant food, it helps to protect us from chronic diseases. Phytonutrients have potent anti-cancer and anti-heart disease effects. Each phytonutrient has a unique effect, so it's important for us to eat a variety of colors to get all of the best benefits from each fruit and vegetable on the color spectrum. A really simple way to eat the rainbow is to make a smoothie. You can blend up many different colors into one quick meal. So today we're going to make 3 different kinds of smoothies. One will be a spiced carrot, one will be an apple crisp, and the final one is going to be black pineapple. The first smoothie today is going to feature orange fruits and vegetables. The spiced carrot smoothie will have some shredded carrot, diced cantaloupe, canned peaches, and 100% fruit juice. I chose 100% fruit juice to avoid added sugars that are in the heavy and light syrups. We'll also be using some orange juice for a liquid and some ginger for spice. You can use ginger root or ground ginger powder. First, I'd like to show you how to use the fresh ginger root. My favorite way to get the coarse skin off is just to use a spoon and rub it off gently. Now let's mix it all together. We'll start with the peach. It doesn't really matter what you start with. I like to start with my more solid ingredients first, and then I will add liquid in. So I'll put the peach, the carrot, a few chunks of cantaloupe, the ginger root, which is what makes it the spiced carrot, and some orange juice. Whenever I'm making a smoothie, I just pour the orange juice over all of my ingredients so that my solid ingredients are submerged in the liquid. This usually works out well, but if you find that your blender is struggling, you can always add some more liquid and start blending again. I'm also going to add in a sneak ingredient, spinach. Spinach is really great because leafy greens have lots of iron and fiber. I like to put just a few pieces into my smoothie and a dash of citrus to help us absorb all of the iron in those wonderful leafy greens. All right, let's blend it up. And here you have it, the spiced carrot smoothie. Next, we will be making the apple crisp smoothie. This smoothie features red fruits, and we're also going to use some oatmeal for a source of whole grain fiber instead of using the leafy green fiber. So let's move into the ingredients. We'll be starting with some diced apple, some cranberry sauce, applesauce, oatmeal, apple juice, and a little bit of milk. To give it a nice apple pie kind of spice, we're also going to use some cinnamon and nutmeg. And now we'll put everything into the blender. I'm going to start with the apple cubes. And then I'll put just a little bit of the cranberry sauce and a little bit of the applesauce. I think the cranberry sauce will have a very strong flavor, so I'm just going to use a little bit. Applesauce will give us some nice moisture to help our blender blend everything up. And finally, I'm going to put a little bit of oat for the extra fiber. Just a sprinkle will do. And for this recipe, I want to use a little bit of milk to give it a more creamy kind of texture, since I'm going for the apple pie, apple crisp kind of taste. I'm also going to use a little bit of apple juice. When I choose juice, I do try to look for a 100% juice to cut back on any kind of added sugars. I love cinnamon, so I think I'm going to do quite a bit of cinnamon in here. Adding spices to smoothies is a really nice way to give it kind of like a dessert feeling. And a sprinkle of nutmeg. Now let's blend it all together. And here we have it, the apple crisp smoothie. Our last smoothie is the black pineapple. This smoothie will feature the blue and purple colors of the rainbow. We have some frozen blueberries, frozen blackberries, frozen raspberry and strawberry. I'll use about half of a fresh banana, a squeeze of lemon, some pineapple juice, and fresh cilantro. Let's blend it all up. I'll start with about half of this fresh banana. You could also freeze your banana if you want a more like icy kind of texture in your smoothie. Our frozen berries will help us achieve that too. So I'll pour those in right on top of the fresh banana. And I'm going to use pineapple juice to make this the black pineapple. Because the pineapple juice isn't completely covering my solid ingredients, I'm going to add just a little bit of milk to help my blender blend it all up right. I'm also going to add a squeeze of lemon juice and a little bit of our fresh cilantro. I like to store my herbs in a jar in the fridge like this because they'll last a lot longer with the roots sitting in water. So I'm just going to rip some off and throw it right in our smoothie mix. Let's blend it all up. Notice the color difference in these three smoothies. Each one represents a different part of our food rainbow. This smoothie represents the orange and the yellow. This one, the reds and pinks. And our last smoothie represents the purples and blues. It's important to eat all of the different colors of the rainbow because each fruit and vegetable color has its own unique nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to keep your body healthy. Smoothies are a great way to mix it up and eat multiple colors in one drink, or specify one color and get a little extra of that specific nutrient into your body. When you're shopping at the grocery store, you can also take a look in your cart and make sure that you see a variety of colors. Look for the rainbow, taste the rainbow, and keep your body healthy. Thank you for joining me today. If you have a favorite recipe for smoothies, leave your combination in the comments below. For more recipes, go to gcfb.org. Cheers!